How to recover TikTok messages. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover TikTok messages that you might have accidentally deleted or lost. Before we begin, make sure you have the TikTok app installed on your phone and that you logged into your account. Open the TikTok app, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now in your inbox, you'll see a few different sections like message request, which stores messages from users you're not following. Sometimes messages can end up there by mistake. Make sure to go through that folder as it might contain the message you're looking for. Now, if you still can't find messages, it's worth checking whether the message has gone to archive. You can also find the archive folder over here. Tap on it and look if there's a simply any chats that have gone to archived. Unfortunately, if you permanently deleted a message, it's not recoverable through TikTok alone. But here's a pro tip: if your TikTok account is linked to another account like Instagram or Facebook, check those apps too. Sometimes messages sent on TikTok are also saved in linked accounts, especially if you've chatted with the same person. Now, if you've tried everything and still can't recover your message, you can reach out to TikTok support. Go to your profile, tap three horizontal lines, go to settings and privacy, scroll down and go to report a problem, or you can also go to support. Here you can explain your issue to TikTok support team. While they might not be able to recover deleted messages, they can help with account related problems. And that's it. While TikTok doesn't offer an official way to recover deleted messages, this step should help you find or prevent future messages